Zelado.com. How to make garlic oil at home. Garlic oil has the advantage of being a remedy that can handle high temperatures well without losing its beneficial properties for the body. Learn how to make it in this article. From giving a touch of freshness and flavor to your recipes to helping your immune system, garlic is more than just a natural ingredient, and garlic oil is just as great. Overall, garlic is a phenomenal antifungal agent and has been highly used for centuries, even before the invention of any modern medicine. Plus, it also contains healthy elements that are absorbed into the body and are transformed into natural antiviral agents. If you're a strong and intense winter, including garlic in your diet can help you. After all, it does a lot to strengthen your defenses and prevent the flu and other bacteria and viruses. But why is garlic oil important? More than anything, garlic oil is great because you can use it in a liquid state that is more practical for cooking and certain natural remedies. This garlic oil recipe boasts all of the healthy properties of garlic. Plus, this recipe makes a large portion, and it does not tend to get damaged or spoil quickly. However, if you suffer from gastrointestinal hernias or gastritis, it's possible that this remedy is not for you. Consult your doctor before consuming it. Garlic oil, how to prepare it and its uses. The beauty uses of garlic oil. Garlic oil is a basic ingredient in homemade preparations. In addition, many also use it in some products to treat natural fungi. After a trip to a beach in the middle of an intense summer or a pool visit with friends, you may notice small spots on your face when you are at home later. Well, this ingredient serves to eliminate them naturally. Garlic as a natural remedy. As we mentioned earlier, many know about the medicinal use of garlic oil for mild or moderate respiratory or viral conditions. Both pure and diluted garlic will help you both as an expectorant and as an antiviral remedy without negative side effects or drowsiness. Garlic as a medicinal supplement. Garlic is specifically useful in the treatment of a condition that can cause more serious illnesses if not treated properly, hemophilia. A few drops of garlic oil a day will suffice to help you with effective healing. You can also eat small portions of it daily. A garlic oil recipe. Next, you'll find everything you need to make this incredible recipe. Now that you know the benefits of garlic, it's time to make it. That way, you'll be able to use it in your meals or as a natural remedy like the ones we mentioned. Ingredients: 6 whole cloves of garlic, 2 cups of extra virgin olive oil, 500 milliliters. Half glass of lemon juice, 100 milliliters. 1 glass bottle, at least 500 milliliters. Preparation. The first thing you should do is wash the garlic well with plenty of warm water. Leave it to sit for 20 minutes without stirring. After, proceed to remove the skin from each clove until it is all gone. Place the cloves on a small baking sheet and set the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Cook the garlic for 15 minutes, and then let it cool a little. Pour the cup of lemon juice and then the garlic into a bowl. Then, pour the extra virgin olive oil into the bowl and mix with the garlic. Return it to the oven, at the same temperature, again for 5 minutes. Remove it, let it cool, and strain it. To finish, put the garlic into the glass container. The lemon will help to neutralize the strong smell of the garlic a bit and provide its own healthy properties. If you like this video, please click on subscribe and get notified about our videos. Thanks for watching.